In this project, you will learn how to turn an LED on and off. What are you going to need first is your Intel Galileo board, an LED, a resistor that's rated 150 ohms or more, a breadboard, and 2 jumper wires. Once you have all of these, you will need to set up the wiring. It's very important that you do this while your board is powered off and then connect everything according to the schematic in the picture. It doesn't matter if you use colored wires or different pin columns on the breadboard, as long as the components are connected in the same way as the picture. Now here's the LED. Make sure you connect it with the longer leg, which is the positive one, to the digital pin and the shorter one to the ground pin. I'm going to connect a resistor now next to the LED, as you can see here. And now to proceed with the wiring. As you can see, the black one I'm using for ground, and I'm connecting this resistor to the ground on the Intel Galileo. That's the 4th pin from the left to the right. And now the second wire goes from pin 3. I just chose this pin randomly, you can use any of them, and connect that to the other leg of the LED. All we have to do now is to connect the Ethernet port and the power. Okay, now that everything is wired correctly, we can proceed to your Wilogen account. I'm going to log on here. Now on the project page, you're going to see this Create New Application button, so please click this one. We're going to enter the name of the project, which is going to be Blinking LED. And under New Project, just make sure that Visual Programming is selected and click Next. We don't need any optional components, so just click Submit. Okay, this is my Blinking LED project. Basically, we have to turn the LED on, wait for a small amount of time, say 1 second, and then turn it off. Wait for it to turn back on, and so on. It will basically look like this. We have to find the Peripherals tab here, go under LED and set it on. We don't need this, so I'll just delete it. We're going to set the LED on pin 3. So under Program and Timing, delay for say 1 second, and then basically turn this off. I just duplicated that tab, and then I'm going to duplicate this tab as well, and do this basically while true. And under Logic, true. Okay, so basically while true, we're going to set the LED on pin 3, wait a second, turn it off, wait another second, and then this goes into a loop. If you have advanced programming knowledge, you may also want to see the code. On the right here, you just click Show Code, and then this code is generated in Python. I'm just waiting for my board to come online now. Okay, now I can see that my board is online here. It says stopped here, so no application is running on it. I'm just going to click this to run my application on the Intel Galileo that's called Galileo. Okay, and there you have it. The LED is blinking on and off every 1 second. Thank you for watching our tutorial, and we hope you come back soon.